everyone. It is Faith and Brad with Scare Factor Teen Living Dead duo. We are here in Roanoke, Virginia at Terror Manor, and we are going to be filming the walkthrough of the Terror Manor inside their haunted house over here. But yeah, we are super excited, and check us out. Oh, there's a guy that shot his head off. Ah!
They shot his head off.
Oh my gosh.
I need that guy. He's my boss. I need that guy.
He's your boss. Oh no! We got a lot of babies. Lots of babies. Babies all over the wall. Look at all these dolls. Like a demented. Oh, there's a demented girl. Mom! Oh, Mom! There's Mommy! Oh my gosh! There's Mommy! Mommy is scary. Going through a lot of clothes.
Please don't leave us! Please don't leave us! Just stay!
Oh, there is a big guy in the tub. I think he's been there. Ah! It sprayed me! It sprayed me!
Give it to me now! I need a snack! I'm so hungry!
Oh!
Delicious flesh! Just a little nibble!
Oh, we got some cannibals in here. They're roasting limbs like they would a pig. Ah!
I really pity you non-believers!
Oh yeah?
I've already made one example out of you! I'll make another! Now pray!
Oh
Pray
boy.
with me, sinners! Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name! For thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory, forever and ever! Amen!
Amen. He's
Sinners!
been there for a while.
Come get him, God! Strike him down!
Pumpkin Man. They're doing like a seance. Oh, this one's real. Ah. She looks toxic. Oh man. Clowns everywhere! Clowns everywhere!
Welcome to the circus! The freaks away!
What's in the middle of the night?
I need help. I need. He just keeps talking.
What's he saying?
Listen close. He talks to you too?
Yeah.
I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy. What did he say? What did he say?
He says you have nice hair.
Exactly. A partner, you could call it. We keep each other together, like Bonnie and Clyde, yin and yang. He's meant for mental stimulation, but he does it for me.
Did you tell him he was pretty?
You're pretty.
I know.
But what about him?
He's pretty too.
You see, my last helper didn't work out so well. But I'm sure you'll be fine. If I can just get you to pull this lever here for me.
Help me! Help me! No! 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 How can you guys come in here and ruin my cell healing environment? This is so unfair! What the hell? I was doing some good surgery and you had to come in here and ruin it!
Oh, there's naked.
Why did you leave me? Get back here! Don't leave me! I told you! Don't leave! You have to take your pill! on my wall. You make a great ornament for me. It's the pig!
Oh, we're going through cave. That guy's been here for a while. Oh, this would be Nora's favorite room. There's so many spiders. She would hate it. Spiders and spider egg sacs everywhere.
Oh, you're just in time for supper.
Oh,
Come on in, come on in. I would say we have a feast, but we don't have a contribution, so
okay.
you're the victim.
Okay, there's a lot of body parts.
Oh, yes, I think you'll be the fine collection here.
All right.
Don't be late. Come on in.
Where do you think you're going? Supper's about to start and I can't have you leave.
Oh no, supper's starting. Oh, there's a guy in the fridge.
Are you going to be my guest tonight?
Yeah.
I can tenderize you to be really good.
Okay.
Oh, who's going to give me a ingredient for the bite? You?
Me. Yep.
You? Oh, you.
Yep.
You're a little bit too big. I'm going to have to tenderize that.
Okay.
But you're a chest or a leg man, aren't you?
Where do you think you're going? I want to eat you from limb to limb.
Okay.
And make sure you know who's boss. I got out, but my friend next door, she did it.
Uh-oh.
The cat in the microwave. Put the cat in the microwave. Don't put the cat in the microwave. Don't put the cat in the microwave. Get out of here.
I need your skin. I need your skin. I need your skin to make a dress.
Okay.
And then I'll be as beautiful as you.
Okay.
You just need some lotion.
Okay. He puts the lotion on its
Yes, it
skin.
does. And then I'll make a dress out of you. Peel off the skin right there.
Okay.
Yes.
He's pulling me.
You're about size 8, right?
Yep.
You're back and you're late again. You know you're supposed to be here before the bell rings. Before, not after. You know you're lucky it's me because if it was anybody else, I'd have pulled your teeth out. You know that's what they did to me. But anyway, I just wanted to let you know that now that I'm losing teeth, you know that she's dead. I'm always happy to help you learn dissection. Okay? All you have to do is repeat after me. You go stat, 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 stat. Do it with me. Stat, stat, do it with me. Stat, 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 with me. So the principal definitely bleeding out. Definitely bleeding out.
Okay.
But I'm gonna need him to give you some type of promotion. I'm gonna need you to hurry. Hurry real fast so that you can tell him that I need promotion before he said, okay? Make sure you're fast about it. Okay, I'll see you later. Make sure you're early next time.
It's like a green swan.